you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we've got a wonderful food pantry haul for you today because it is New Video Tuesday. I got some cool items, and I got a puppy that keeps biting up the water bottle. We're going to start from the left all the way to the right. We've got a really nice size haul here today. Starting off, we've got 2 packs of oatmeal. In fact, I'm going to give these to Miss Brenda so she can make her oatmeal tart cherry cookies. Those are so good. Then we've got a bag of Doritos. They're giving out snacks now. I'm going to give this to Jay. He loves those. Then we've got some low fancy spinach. At low sodium, that is. Yes, you can make soup out of spinach. In fact, you can make cream of spinach soup, or you can make cream of chicken and spinach soup. Yes. Then we've got some collard greens, and yes, you can make soup out of collard greens too. Love those. We've got some low sodium traditional pasta sauce. Pow. We've got 2 cans of that. Then we've got some organic diced tomatoes and some low sodium diced tomatoes. Love all of this. We've got 2 cans of unsweetened applesauce. The bottle one's upside down. Sorry about that. Then we've got 4 cans of vegetable soup. I'm so excited about these because you're going to see how many different soups I can make out of these vegetable soups. In fact, I've got a good one coming up. I'm doing a collaboration with City Girl on soups. We're going to be doing all through the season. We've got 2 cans of mixed green beans. Those are going in the soup. Now you know they are. Then I've got some light red kidney beans and some black beans. Now, of course, the first thing that comes to mind is chili, but I make a mixed bean soup that is delicious. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Now, let's jump over here. We've got some peaches frozen in the cup. I'm gonna make a peach smoothie. I love me a peach smoothie with a little bit of cinnamon. Oh yeah. We've got 2 oranges. I'm going to juice these today. I'm making some juice. Then we've got a bag of carrots, which I'm going to juice along with all these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of these little things. But they're going to be a wonderful juice. Then we've got some packs of raisins. You can put these in your lunch. You can put them in your salad. You can bake them in cookies. And have you ever had raisin muffins or raisin bread? It's really good. Over here, we've got some frozen ground chicken. This is really good. Oh, yeah. Then we've got some white premium chicken. Excuse me, let me get this in focus. This stuff makes the best chicken salad, or you can put it in soups. Yes, chicken rice, cream of chicken, chicken noodle. I had to get that in focus. We've got, like I said, that white premium chicken, and we've got some drumsticks. You can put them on the grill. You can bake them. They're wonderful, smothered with some gravy. But you can also boil them down and turn them into chicken stock. You can make anything from chicken noodle soup to vegetable soup to bean soup to cream of chicken soup. Anything your heart desires. With chicken stock, you can do it. Then over here, we've got something different. Catfish fillets. These are so good. You could do a soul food thing where you fry them, or you could chop them up, put them in a seafood stew or a gumbo. Yes, many people put catfish in gumbo. Then guess what we got over here? Something Roger Rabbit would love. A carrot cake. Somebody didn't buy it just because the icing is messed up on the side. I mean, I get it, but then not everything has to be perfect. The cake is perfectly fresh. Then over here, we've got 3 containers of macaroni and cheese. I make my own cheese sauce. However, you can take these noodles and put them into your soups. Yes, you can, or a casserole. Now, this over here I'm really excited about. You can make cold pasta salads. You can put them in soups. This goes excellent in a vegetable soup. I also make a cream of vegetable soup. That this is to die for when you make that. And I love this in a wonderful cold pasta salad, or it can be in a hot pasta salad. Or you can, once again, make this into a type of spaghetti or baked lasagna dish. They give out laundry detergent. Isn't that cool? Yes. Guess who's going to be doing laundry? Yep, yours truly. So you could get other things than food at the food pantry. They even give out clothes. I'm going to give you guys a pan of everything we got. And yes, we're going to go to soup heaven. So as you see, you can get other things besides food from the food pantry. And that detergent is one of them. That's really great. Like I said, you can get clothes, shoes. It just depends on what they have or what is donated. Now, speaking of which, don't be afraid to go to the food pantry. Or if you're someone who has everything you need, don't be afraid to donate. Give some canned goods. Give some fresh fruit. Give something if you can. And also, what I want you to do for me, I want you to join me on this journey of soups we're going to do for this creepy and cold season, all the way up to Christmas. Oh, yeah. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I want you to write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I've got some giveaways coming up, guys. Finally, it took so long. And they're going to be a surprise, but they're finally done. Okay? Now, what soups would you like me to do? Coming up, I've got a barbecue chicken soup. Oh, yeah. All right. Till then, big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?